Hello and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are finally making some food. OMG. And this one is super simple. It's a pappardelle mushroom pasta. Just a few ingredients is portobello mushroom, pappardelle pasta, parmigiano cheese, and olive oil and butter. So yeah, just like some things that you might have in your refrigerator already. Maybe not the pappardelle, because I actually had to go buy pappardelle. That was like something that I do not just casually have in my cabinet, but I wanted a little bit of a different taste. The kale Caesar salad, I made that a few times in my videos. This is kind of my go-to. I like the taste of the kale from Trader Joe's. It's a salad. So the thing that takes the longest in this recipe is essentially the mushrooms. It depends on how thick you cut them and how you like them cooked. And basically I just put some butter, some olive oil, mix it up, let it cook. Salt, kosher salt specifically, black pepper, gave it some time. Pappardelle, I'm not used to cooking pappardelle noodles, so I just followed the instructions to a T, and then I put some cold water on it. I used a lot of olive oil for this recipe. This was a very olive oil heavy dish, mainly because it wasn't a cream based pasta and I didn't want like a dry pasta, so I did use a lot of olive oil. On top, I had to put my Tony Sacharins in because I just have to. There's no reason why. And as you can tell, that this video was old because I was definitely in braids, but that's beside the point. The dish is still good and you can still make it today. This is also a good dish for lunch the next day. It will probably get dry in the microwave, so just maybe have a little bit of olive oil and some more cheese to just kind of make it a little less dry the next day. And that's it. So I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and thank you so much for watching. Bye.